Welcome. Here, you will find step-by-step solutions to different math problems. Please subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. Today, we will solve a math problem related to the standard deviation in statistics. Here is the question. Find the standard deviation and its coefficient from the following frequency distribution. Marks 20, 24, 30, 35, 38, 40. And number of students 8, 7, 10, 12, 6, 3. Now, let's solve it. Solution. Table. Construct a frequency distribution table for the calculation of standard deviation by direct method. In this method, we need for the values of fx and fx squares. From the table, number of data n is equal to 46. Summation of fx is equal to 1396. Summation of fx squares is equal to 44396. Now, standard deviation, sigma, equals to square root of summation of fx squares divided by n minus summation of fx divided by n whole square equals to square root of 44396 divided by 46 minus 1396 divided by 46 whole square equals to square root of 965.13 minus 920.99 equals to square root of 44.14 equals to 6.64. Now, let's calculate arithmetic mean for the calculation of coefficient of standard deviation. Arithmetic mean x bar equals to summation of fx divided by n equals to 1396 divided by 46 equals to 30.35. Now, coefficient of standard deviation equals to standard deviation sigma divided by mean x bar equals to 6.64 divided by 30.35 equals to 0.22. Therefore, the standard deviation is 6.64 and its coefficient is 0.22. I hope you have understood the solution. If you have your math problems, please comment it. I will solve your problems in the next videos. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.